Hey, what's up everybody? My name is DJ Kavish and here I am at the Warehouse DJ Academy, and today we are going to do a quick unboxing of this multi-purpose foldable wooden bed table. So let's dive into it. So friends, as you all know that due to coronavirus and this pandemic situation, we all are locked at our home and we have to work from home. So we are working from home from at least 8 to 10 hours sitting at home, and few of us don't have the privilege of having a chair and a table at home. So in that situation, you are working on your laptop, being on the bed, and you're not able to get that correct posture. And due to that, you sometimes feel tiredness, and your work is also affected because of your tiredness. You're not feeling that active. In today's unboxing, I'll be doing an unboxing of this foldable multi-purpose wooden table. So here we have the box itself, and I received it from Amazon. I actually waited for it because earlier it was costing $1,600. But now due to the Amazon sale, I bought it for $899, and I'll be posting the link in the description below so you can check that out and you can buy one for yourself, and you can have your back straight and work for hours at your home. And this bed table is very good because it also has the stand for your phone, your iPad, and it has a lot of space. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. So friends, here we have the box itself. Now let's open it. So let's cut it from here. And it's a big box. And friends, let me tell you that this table is very sturdy, strong, rock solid built, and you get the thermocol and quite a decent packaging they have done. Let me keep it here, and there you can see it has come in a polythene. And there you have the table itself. It is a rock solid built table. So this multi-purpose savvy table is easy to use and easy to store. It has 23.5-inch long and 15.5-inch broad table panel, which you call as a tabletop. The height of this table is 10.2 inches, so it's a decent height and you don't have to bend your neck much. It can hold up to 11 kilograms, which is 25 pounds of weight. The overall build quality is firm and solid. It has a curve at the front so that when you're working on it, you can take some deep breaths without having to trouble your belly. You can easily keep your iPad in the iPad section, or you can use it for your mobile phone. And you also get the wire grill, so you can put the wire through it and charge your gadgets. It can not only hold your laptop, but it has sufficient space to hold your mouse, a notepad, a glass of water, so that you can work for long without any worries. So friends, I think you enjoyed this unboxing and you are surely going to order one bed table for yourself to make sure that you can work at your home comfortably. So if you like this video, then please hit that like button, and if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. I'll be coming up with more such unboxing tips and tricks on DJing and few tips and tricks on technology as well. This is DJ Kavish signing out. Yo.